Hi everybody, it is time for our little reading workshop mini lesson. So, we are starting a new unit on, hi everybody, we are starting a new unit in reading workshop. And so basically, you've been showing me that you're ready to do newer, bigger jobs, the job of reading harder books, and you are the boss of your reading, not me. So today, I want to teach you. That just sucks. Good morning, everybody. We are starting a new unit in reading today. And basically, you've been showing me that you are ready for new and bigger jobs. And that new and bigger job is the job of reading harder and harder books. When I've been reading with you since you've been home, you've shown me that your reading muscles continue to grow, and it is time for you to keep reading and reading and reading and reading harder books. And I'm here to tell you that you are the boss of your reading and not me. So today I want to teach you that when readers are the boss of their own reading, one of their first jobs is to stop at the sign of trouble. And then they say, I can solve this. I can try something using all that I know. So let's take a look at our chart. We're going to make a new reading chart for our new reading unit. Here it is now. Let's look. Here's our chart paper. And here is what it's called. It's called Be the Boss of Your Reading. And the first thing it says is, let's put that one on. Let's read it together. Stop at the first sign of trouble. And then the second one says, try something. So here is the whole chart. Let's look at it again. Be the boss of your reading. Stop at the first sign of trouble. So let's try that. Let's read it together. Stop at the first. Maybe that might be the first sign of trouble. We might not know that word. Because look, sign. That's not a word. So we've stopped at the first sign of trouble. And then our second thing says to try something. Look what I see. A toolbox. Let's look at all that we know. So, stop at the first, well, I see a stop sign. Sign. Maybe the picture can help you. That is one of your tools. So, we stopped at the first sign of trouble, and our first sign of trouble was sign. Now, and we did try something. We used our toolbox. We used our picture to help us with our word. Let's find another tool that we could use to when we need to try something at the first sign of trouble. Let's move over to this sign. And let's say that we didn't know what this big, long word was. What is something else we could try? Try, oh boy, big, long word. Let's look at another word, another tool we have in our toolbox. We could go over s, a, eh, f, ing, something. It sounds like something. I just basically stretched that. That's one other tool we have in our toolbox. Another thing we could try is breaking it up. I noticed the word some and I noticed the word thing. And if we put it together, we have something. So we just took 3 different tools from our toolbox to try something at the first sign of trouble. We used our stretching out. We took two words and put them together, because sometimes you'll find little words inside a big word, and we used a picture clue to solve the word. So, be the boss of your reading. Today, when you're doing your reading, make sure you are the boss of your reading. Stop at the first sign of trouble and try something. I hope it goes well. I'm sure it will be nearly perfect. Have a great day.